Hello to the viewers, this is 164 Galore with a new diecast to showcase for today. The diecast is a Subaru Impreza WRX driven by Carlos Sainz and his co-driver Luis Moya in 1995. The brand for this diecast is from CM's Corporation, a Japanese toy manufacturer founded in 2003 and filed for bankruptcy in 2014. Their products include diecasts, PVC figures, trading figures, and model cars. CM's rally car collection has a catalog of licensed rally car models ranging from Lancias to Toyotas. The remaining CM's diecasts are up for selling based on their rarity, conditions, and selling location. With that said, let's talk about the history of this specific Subaru vehicle. The Subaru Impreza WRX GC8C started development in 1994 until 1996. It can drive up to the top speed of 143 miles per hour, reaching 62 miles per hour in only 6.6 seconds. The four-door car is an all-wheel drive vehicle with a weight of 1,230 kilograms. It has 5 gears with both wheels supplied with vented discs. This iconic car is without its 555 or stripes livery and color pattern. The World Rally Championship starts its event in one of the most famous of all Monaco districts, Monte Carlo, where cars and drivers are tested with tricky sections, multiple weather conditions, and competitive distances. In 1995, Carlos Sainz secured a first-place victory in the Monte Carlo Rally with 7 stages victory. As a 1/64 scale collector, one cannot underestimate the quality and beauty of this diecast model. From the highly printed tempos to the tiniest detail this diecast has to offer. The car antenna, mud splash fenders, and headlights are well crafted. Its body is plastic based so it feels very lightweight. The wheels can roll and every part of the car is as identical to its real-life counterpart. The 555 is substituted with a simplistic pattern design. This is due to the ban of tobacco sponsorships from the World Motorsport Council in 2001, for evident reasons. Unfortunately, on my attempt to release a diecast from its model stand, it appears to be screwed tightly. I decided to leave it as it is after numerous tries. Now in my final thoughts. CM's rally car collections are perfect replications of real-life rally cars. They excel in true 1/64 scale and detailed decor. It is uncertain this will be my last diecast from the brand, but I am looking forward to buying more in the future.